Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You're starting with the photo in hand. Open Photos and find the live photo. Once there, tap Edit to reveal the live toggle at the top center or near the live label. You do this because Edit provides non-destructive toggles, so the original motion is preserved unless you commit a change. Make sure you can see the live icon. If it's yellow, that means it's on. If it's gray, it's already off. Now prepare to flip it off for a still image. You'll turn live off by tapping the live button inside Edit. Once tapped, the yellow highlight disappears and the motion is disabled. You do this because disabling inside Edit converts the file to a still while keeping the original motion data recoverable by reverting. Once done, scan through the frames if you want a different key photo and make any exposure or crop tweaks. When satisfied, tap Done to commit changes. Photos keeps a reversible history, so you can restore the live version later if needed. To stop future photos from being live, open Camera and tap the live icon to switch it off. Now every photo you take will be a still. Once done, make sure to preserve that preference. Go to Settings, Camera, Preserve Settings, and enable Live Photo so the camera app remembers your last state. If Live re-enables unexpectedly, restart your iPhone, check for an iOS update, and then verify Preserve Settings again. This trouble
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.